Hey YouTube, it's meal prep day. Today I'm showing you a breakfast option and a lunch option. I'm also super excited to be hosting a small giveaway of $50 and the black meal prep containers that I use in this video. So for that, all of the details will be in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, and I would love if you would subscribe. So first off, I'm starting by soaking a cup of quinoa. That way I can put it to the side while I make the rest of the prep. I like to soak my grains. There are a lot of benefits to soaking your grains, so go ahead and look those up. And also comment down below if you soak your grains. So right here, moving on, I am starting on the overnight oats. I have 3 mason jars and I'm adding about half a cup of quick oats. And then actually I ended up adding a little bit more, so you can add as much as you want, whatever your preference is. Then I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon. And you can add blueberries, you can add any kind of fruit that you like. Today I'm adding apples. I had a lot of apples. So I'm just chopping up the apples and then I go ahead and add them into the jars. These overnight oats turned out amazing. Milk. I personally like almond milk. That's what I'm using here, whatever your preference is. You can even use water, like half water, half milk, whatever you want to do. I like to use almond milk because it comes out creamier. So I go ahead and mix it just to get all the cinnamon and all the oats mixed together well. And I wanted to try it. I went ahead and added, I believe, a teaspoon of coffee creamer to each jar, and it was really good. I didn't have any vanilla extract. Next time I'll probably add vanilla extract. So moving on to the chicken, these are chicken tenderloins, and I just season them up well. I add some pepper and then Stater Brothers brand Malibu seasoning. It's a salt-free seasoning, and then I go in with some pink salt. I also went ahead and added some minced garlic. It was about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I'm definitely a garlic freak, so I can add like a whole head of garlic and I would be just fine. I went ahead and just laid 3 pieces of salmon out on a piece of foil. And I seasoned it pretty much the same, salt, pepper, and Malibu seasoning, and then I just drizzled a little bit of avocado oil over top and then just wrap them up tightly to keep the moisture, and then bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, moving on to the sweet potato. I like buying these because they're really convenient. They're already peeled and diced up. And of course, I'm going in with pretty much the same seasonings and some garlic. So salt, pepper, garlic, and some avocado oil drizzled over the top. So these vegetables I am dicing up for the quinoa salad. I'm using tomato, cucumber, and celery. I also like to put lemon in it. So once it's done, I'll fluff it up, let it cool for a little while, add in the vegetables, add some salt, pepper, and some lemon, mix it up, and it is so delicious. Okay, so this is the end of the meal prep. I just put the food in the containers. I start with the bed of broccoli, some sweet potato, and then the protein on top. I love to add a lemon wedge, so when I'm ready to eat it, I can squeeze some lemon on top. And I added the quinoa salad in separate bowls. And so yeah, I like to heat my food up on a pan. You can heat it up however you'd like, whatever your preference. This meal prep took an hour. Maybe it'll take less for you because I was filming. It's really easy, don't feel intimidated at all, and it's so convenient to have meals ready in the fridge. If you recreate this, please leave a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more meal prep videos like this. Thanks, bye.